If you've been following our series, you already know how baseline can save you time, money, and headaches by bringing agency-level conversion optimization right into your hands. Hey Skiologists and e-commerce enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. I'm Darian Hren, a co-founder of Skiology. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to install baseline on your Shopify store and set it up for do-it-yourself Grow redesign. This way you can boost conversions immediately. Let's get started. So first, why go the do-it-yourself route at all? Let's face it, hiring agencies or freelance developers can be expensive, and often you're left waiting for weeks just to get a small tweak done. Meanwhile, your cart might be leaking sales, your bounce rate might be through the roof. With baseline, you own the power. No more code dependencies, no more inflated retainers. You install, you customize, you optimize, all on your schedule. And with our proven baseline framework and Grow sections, you know each element was designed to enhance your experience and drive conversions, not just look pretty. Alright, let's get down to the nuts and bolts. Installing baseline on your Shopify store. Head to the Shopify App Store, search for Baseline Grow Team Sections, or if you're already in our Skiology hub, just follow the link we provide. Click Add App. This will prompt Shopify to install the app onto your store. Approve permissions. Baseline needs access to modify your team so it can add those optimized sections. Just confirm the permissions and you're good to go. In most cases, installation takes under 2 minutes and there's no technical skills required, just a few clicks. Once you see the app installed message, pat yourself on the back. You've just taken a huge step toward the do-it-yourself Grow redesign. Next, let's open up Baseline's dashboard inside Shopify. Here's what you see. A section library, a collection of ready-made sections like the high converting product pages, optimized home banners, trust badges, and more. Free and premium sections. Some are free out of the box, while premium ones cost a one-time fee starting at $10 each, no subscriptions. This is your comment center. You can browse through sections like a hero section or a showcase sections and see a quick explanation of why each section works for conversions, how to use it, and for what. Our motto: no guesswork, nothing is random, everything's rooted in data-driven design. Now, the fun part, customizing baseline sections. The beauty of baseline is that it's drag and drop. No coding knowledge necessary. Add a section. Simply click Add Section and choose one from the library. Let's say Hero section with the CTA. Edit text and images. You'll see placeholders, the headline, sub-headline, and images with your brand's assets, brand colors and fonts. Hop into the settings tab, select your brand palette and adjust typography. Within minutes, you've got a professional on-brand hero banner. And a pro tip, don't just pick random colors, make sure they align with your brand. Consistency in color and typography can instantly boost perceived trustworthiness and make the entire shopping experience feel more cohesive. One of the biggest questions store owners ask is, how do I know a certain design or feature is working? Enter A/B testing. You can duplicate your section, product page, or landing page within Shopify, tweak one or two elements like the headline, benefits, and images, and see which performs better in terms of click-throughs or conversions. We suggest using Meta SO for A/B testing app, as they have a nice free tier which is perfect to get started. Our baseline section come with recommended best practices like what the section's goal is or what social proof to use for the product page. Implement those first, then refine through A/B testing. Integrate your Shopify with Google Analytics, Microsoft Clarity, or any heat map tool you prefer. Watch where people click, where they drop off, and use that info to refine your design. Remember, data is your friend. Don't make design decisions in a vacuum. We're working on a do-it-yourself course which should be live at the end of this video. It's a step-by-step process that will show you the optimal structure, order, copy, and everything else to get a highly optimized home and product page from day one. Baseline is a framework, so while each section law is powerful, the real magic happens when you combine them in an optimal way for your user flow. And we'll share this way with you. Check the community for the course update. Sometimes you might run into a small snag. A section doesn't appear exactly how you want, or an app conflict arises. That's where Skiology community steps in. Community and forum and live chats. Post screenshots, describe your issue, and you'll likely get a fix within hours, either from an an experienced skiologist or from the skiology team. Crow audits. If you're part of our free or pro membership, you can even submit your store for a live Crow audit session. We'll walk you through solutions step by step. Trust me, you're never alone in this process. We built Baseline to empower you, but we also know sometimes you need a little help. The community is here for that. Now that you know how to install and customize Baseline, let's talk about a few quick Crow wins you can implement today. Add an optimized header section. Add our A/B tested and optimized header with benefits and social proof. This alone can increase conversions by 5 to 25%. Number 2, highlight a best-selling product with the showcase section. Use a dedicated Baseline section to showcase your top sellers, complete with real customer rating and 3 main benefits of that product. Helping visitors find the right product can drive a quick sale boost of up to 20%. Number 3, claim section. Reinforcing the credibility and popularity of your brand with a large number of happy customers. This builds trust and encourages new customers to join in, boosting sales of up to 15%. These small tweaks can often yield big results, so test them out as soon as possible. That's a wrap for today's video on installing and setting up Baseline for a do-it-yourself Crow redesign. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's looking to optimize their Shopify store. Ready to take the next step? Join the Skiology community. It's free, no credit card required. Once you're in, try Baseline yourself and let us know how your results turn out. In the next video, we'll dive into maximizing Baseline's advanced features like advanced wireframes, Crow checklists, and more. You won't want to miss it. Until then, I'm Darian Hren, reminding you that with the right tools and a bit of determination, you can transform your online store today. Keep optimizing, and I'll see you soon. Click or tap to watch the next video.